Excuse me folks, afternoon, hope you're all well. I'm just having a nosy around Lightmoor. Again, I was down there yesterday, but I was over at the pools in that direction over there. This is just off one of the pools, off the furnace pool. This is what I believe to be the site of the old furnace of some sort, maybe ironworks. Pile of rubble there. There's rubble all round. This is all rubble here. There's a great big chunk of brickwork there. Right, there's brickwork all around, so I'd say this is certainly the spot. Not exactly sure what the furnace was, whether it was an ironworks or what, but like an idiot I've come out again in only a pair of shorts. See, there's more rubble there, look. There's loads of it all over the place, so but as you can see, it's well and truly overgrown. But don't know how big the place was. Don't know any details about it at all, really. I will come back though when I've got some proper trousers on and have a proper mooch about. Oh, ouch! Yeah. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Right. Like I say, there's loads of rubble around, so I'd say that it is the right place. See, there's more rubble here. Like I say, the furnace pool is just beyond the trees there. Another good chunk of rubble. So it's the signs that the remains are here. Blooming nettles. Mind you, if you get stung enough, you get used to them. There's more rubble under there. So yeah, I knew there was something here, but in this area, but there was a lad earlier on, a mate of mine called Kevin, told me where it was. There's not a lot to see, especially this time of year with all the vegetation that there is, but yeah, now I know where it is, I will definitely come back. Ouch. Yeah, look, loads of bricks here, look. Loads of it. So yeah, I'm in the right place. Alright then folks. I'm gonna find my way out of here. I'm a little bit stung. Yeah, just grab a couple of snaps before I go. Ooh. Yep. Spin you around, you don't want to be looking at me. One last look around. Ouch. Right, one last look over here. Alright then folks, alright, if anyone has got any information on exactly what it was, it'd be great to find out. I'll catch you again soon folks, bye for now.